they say when she walks in, the air just shifts.
Hey beautiful babes, Sweet Angel here. Today we're doing something together that we haven't done in a while, and that is a shower routine. But today's routine is specifically for those of a certain age. This shower routine will help in restoring moisture and bring your skin back to life. If your skin has been feeling dull, dry, or lacking that youthful bounce, this simple shower routine can help restore moisture and bring your skin back to life. If your skin has been feeling dry, tight, or just not as soft as it used to be, this right here is for you. As we get older, our skin loses moisture faster, and if you're not careful, that shower you take every day could actually be making it worse. But don't worry, I'm about to show you how to turn your regular shower into a powerful moisture restoring routine that helps your skin feel soft, smooth, and alive again. Let's get right into it. First things first, stop using hot water. I know we all love a hot shower, but hot water strips your skin of its natural oils. Instead, I'm using warm water, not cold, just warm enough to be comfortable. This one change alone can help your skin hold on to moisture. Now, I know I started off with actually cleansing my face first. Let me tell you about that. I did use an oil before because I had makeup on, just to take off the makeup I had on for the day. But I'm using my Rice Water Bright Exfoliating Cleanser. This facial wash has cleansing beads in it that's going to help exfoliate my face. And that's about all that I did in the shower to my face. Then I got on to this body. Now, first things first, let's talk about cleansing. I personally like to start with Dial antibacterial soap as my first cleanse. This helps remove sweat, odor, and any buildup on the skin. But listen, this is important. You don't want to stop there because antibacterial soaps can be a little drying, especially for aging skin. So, right after that first cleanse, go in with a hydrating body wash. Something nourishing or creamy, something moisturizing. This second step puts that moisture right back into your skin so you're not left feeling dry or tight. Now, you may have noticed that I did wash my face with a disposable towel. I use the Clean Skin Club towels, and for my body I am using a washcloth with the Dial soap. Now, with the Dial soap, I use it under my arms, my feet, and I also use it around my private area. So I have been using Dial soap for my downtown area for years. I've never experienced any problems with it, and I know everything is not for everybody, but it is perfect for me. Now it's time for the second cleanse, which I go in with a hydrating body wash. Now I'm going to be using this exfoliating shower mitt I got off of Amazon. I will link some similar in the description box. So right after I finish my first cleanse with the Dial antibacterial soap, I go in with my hydrating body wash, which that is one of my favorites, Dial body wash. This is the Advanced Clean Gold with Hydro Clean Complex and Vitamin E. This is where the magic happens. It's gentle, it's moisturizing, and it helps put that hydration back into your skin so you're not left feeling dry or stripped. I love this so much, and again, I'm using my exfoliating glove here with it, and I use this hydrating wash everywhere else, from my shoulders down to my feet. Yes, I do, everywhere. Exactly, I do. Now, after you've cleansed and hydrated your skin, rinse thoroughly. Make sure there's no leftover soap or residue on your skin. That alone can cause dryness. Now, here's a game changer. Add a light exfoliation 2 to 3 times a week. As we age, dead skin builds up faster, and that's what makes your skin look dull and feel rough. This is what I've been using. Tree Hut Vanilla Shea Sugar Scrub. This right here is a favorite because it not only exfoliates, but it also hydrates at the same time. Go in gently, nothing too rough. Focus on areas like the arms, legs, neck. I also exfoliate my buttocks area and right underneath the cheeks. And take your time, let it do the work.
Got that Sunday spirit and that Friday swing.
Now, this step right here, this is the step that takes everything to the next level. Before I step out of the shower, while my skin is still damp, I go in with my body oil, Glow Melanin Brightening Body Oil, and I focus on areas that tend to get darker or drier over time. Elbows, knees, inner thighs, underarms. This oil helps give your skin a more even, glowing look, and it keeps your skin feeling soft, smooth, and deeply nourished. It's also packed with antioxidants which help protect your skin while keeping it hydrated. And here's the key. Apply it while your skin is damp. That's how you lock in moisture and really get that soft, youthful feel. Then once I step out of the shower, I don't rub my skin dry. I gently pat dry, leaving just a little moisture on the skin. I love, love, love that Glow Melanin Brightening Body Oil. It helps even out skin tone, adds a natural glow, and is deeply moisturizing, and it's rich in antioxidants. Now for the post-shower steps. I finalize everything for my face and my neck and chest with argan oil. I love how argan oil hydrates without feeling greasy and leaves my skin looking plump and dewy. A few drops, massage gently, and hello, youthful glow. Now for all over moisture, for extra hydration, I follow this step with my Avon Moisture Therapy Intensive Healing and Repair Lotion all over my body. Then, just for a touch of indulgence, I use Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Gel Oil. The scent alone, pure luxury. And listen, y'all, don't forget the feet. The feet need special care. Between pedicures, I apply Fivona Urea 40% cream to keep them soft and smooth. Nothing worse than dry, rough feet. This stuff is a game changer. Now, underarms and my secret weapon. I keep fresh all day with Secret Fresh Antiperspirant Deodorant for women. Says it'll keep you for 72 hours, okay? 72 hours of protection. I haven't tried going 72 hours without a fresh shower and reapplication, so don't hold me to that. But this is a great deodorant that I love. It's breathable, gentle, and a refreshing berry scent. Yes, please. I love it. And for my inner thigh crevice and backside, honey, I love T. Dickinson's Witch Hazel. If you know, you know. It's my secret weapon for keeping those areas fresh, fresh, fresh. Okay. And for the lips and fragrance, let's talk about it. I swipe LA Colors High Shine Lip Gloss in Doll Face on the lips. It's just as good as the top contender lip mask, but so much more affordable. And for fragrance, I spritz on Dossier Aquatic Coconut, inspired by Mason Margiela Replica. It's light, fresh, and perfect for, nighttime. Let's get ready to go to bed, y'all. Okay. And babes, that's it. From head to toe, my skin is hydrated, glowing, and soft. I feel refreshed, nourished, and ready for bed. Or, you can do this in the daytime too, but make sure you always apply some sunscreen. Now, even over 60, babes, we can still glow. Yes, we can. I'll see you soon. Bye now.
But she learned to forgive. She let go of the past. so she could live. Got that Sunday spirit and that Friday swing. Every move she makes is a sacred dance. Every dream she touches gets a second chance. She don't dim her shine for nobody's view. She's the light, the love, the breakthrough. That woman's magic. She turned pain into power, tears into flame. That woman's magic. Ooh, yes she do. Ain't nobody else got that kind of magic. She's got that magic. She's got that magic. Ooh, yes she do. She's got that magic. From her heart to her shoes, she's got that magic. You can feel it in the groove. That woman's love will see you through. Play it, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Let that spirit move. That's the sound of a strong woman. That woman's magic. Yeah. See, when you've been through it, and still you rise with grace. That ain't luck, baby.